GWM Australia announces major discounts following record sales year. Great Wall Motors, GWM, is rolling out substantial discounts, up to $6,000, across its entire Australian model range in a move designed to sustain its recent growth. This comes after a landmark 2025, where GWM solidified its position as Australia's leading Chinese automotive brand. Record growth and competitive landscape. Last year, GWM delivered 52,809 vehicles in Australia, marking a 23.4% increase in sales, while the overall market grew by only 0.3%. The company now operates 123 dealerships nationwide, reflecting a 10% network expansion. However, GWM's seventh-place ranking remains closely contested, with only 394 sales separating it from eighth-placed BYD, a competitor poised for further expansion with a wave of new models. Model-specific discounts. The discounts are available on 2025 plated vehicles ordered and delivered before January 31, 2026. Key highlights include Haval Jolion, $1,000, $3,000 off Haval H6, $2,000, $4,000 off Haval H7, $2,000 off Tank 300, $1,000 off Tank 500. An amp, Canon, $1,000, $2,000 off Canon Alpha, $2,000, $6,000 off, with additional ABN discounts available. The most affordable option, the Haval Jolion Premium, now starts at $23,990 drive-away, after a $3,000 reduction. The top-end Tank 500 Ultra PHEV is available for $77,990 drive-away, with a $3,000 discount. Sales performance and future plans. While overall sales were strong, the Tank 500 experienced a 9.2% decline to 1,519 units, and the Aura electric hatch saw a significant 37.7% drop to 763 units. Conversely, the Tank 300, Haval H6, and Canon Alpha all posted strong gains, with the Canon Alpha leading the charge with a 130.5% increase to 2,524 units. The Haval Jolion remains GWM's bestseller, with 19,413 units sold, though it still trails behind the Hyundai Kona. Looking ahead, GWM plans to launch at least 7 new models in Australia this year, with a focus on new energy options including plug-in hybrid, Hi4 and Hi4T technology. Currently, PHEVs account for 7.9% of GWM sales, while EVs represent 1.4% and hybrids 21.2%. The majority of sales, 69.5%, still come from petrol and diesel models. Local engineering and expansion. GWM is also investing in local engineering, having hired Rob Trubiani, formerly of GM Holden, to develop ride and handling tunes specifically for the Australian market. The company is preparing to introduce its first people mover and vehicles from its premium Way brand, including the Way 80. Conclusion: GWM's aggressive pricing strategy is a direct response to growing competition in the Australian market. The company is leveraging its recent success to build further momentum, while simultaneously preparing for an increasingly crowded EV landscape. These moves signal a commitment to long-term growth and localization, positioning GWM as a major player in the Australian automotive industry.